Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna look at Fusion Autodesk and how to make sketches. So after you press create a sketch, you have to select one of the three planes and you can use the pan tool to move around. So this is gonna be a 10 episode series where I help you learn Fusion. So after you look at create, you see a drop down menu where you have line, rectangle, circle, arc, polygon, ellipse, slot, spline, conic curve, point, and text. So we're only going to do line, rectangle, circle, and arc for this video. Also do take your time to like and subscribe. Okay, so starting off with line, it's the most basic function of Fusion. It connects 2 points via, you guessed it, a line, and you can connect any 2 points on the plane. And as you're about to see here, yes, you can adjust the length and the angle of the line. So right now I am gonna input, let's say 1, and for the angle I'm gonna input, let's say 90 degrees. So now I have a 1 inch straight line, and I can zoom in and zoom out, and I can also change the unit of the line. So I can have it as 1 millimeter. I can even have it as 1 centimeter. If I wanted to, I can even have it as 1 kilometer. So that's basically all you have to know about lines. You have to use it to create more simple sketches. But now we're going to go on to rectangles, and you have 3 options there. So we're going to start off with 2-point rectangle, which is the most basic type of rectangle, and you use 2 corners to create a rectangle. And here, as you can see, you can adjust the size of the rectangle as well. So I'm gonna have it as a rectangle of size 3 times 2. So that's just a basic 2-point rectangle. Next type of rectangle is a 3-point rectangle, where like it sounds, you use 3 points to create a rectangle. But there are constraints for this, as you're gonna see. I'm gonna try to keep that third point, which wouldn't make sense, and it would not let me do that. It'll just give me the rectangle with the normal length. So for the third point, you're always only gonna have to adjust the length. That's how the 3-point rectangle does work. So here I'm gonna show you a more proper 3-point rectangle. I kept my second point, and I can keep my cursor anywhere, and it's still only gonna give me the length adjustment. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it here, and this is what I meant by that. So now we're gonna move on to the center rectangle, which, like it sounds, you select the center of the rectangle and adjust the parameters so that the rectangle falls into those parameters. So yeah, that's all there is about rectangles. And now I'm going to show you the trim tool, which is just a basic scissor tool. You can just click what you want to delete, or you can drag, like I'm gonna do right now. Yes, you can drag it, and this is another way on how you delete your sketches. And circles is the next, and we are going to start off with the center diameter circle, which, like the center rectangle, you select the center point and just toy with it till you get your measurement. So here I can put in whatever measurement I desire. And also, for the sake of this video and the complexity, we're not going to focus on 2 tangent and 3 tangent circles. So the next type of a circle is a 2-point circle. So I can select any 2 points that I want the circle to pass through, and it is going to give me a circle that passes through both of those lines, like we have here. The next type of circle is a 3-point circle, which, as it sounds, it goes to 3 points. So I can have it go through point A, point B, and I can adjust it so that it doesn't go through. Say I don't want it to touch the origin, I can make it as if it doesn't touch the origin by using the 3-point circle. Up next is arcs. So yeah, arcs are basically, we're gonna only do 3-point arc for the sake of this video. So 3-point arcs are basically just curved lines. So you're gonna select a starting point, and you're gonna select an ending point, and you're gonna adjust your cursor so that the arc is your desired angle. So it can be as small or as big as you want. Right now I'm gonna make it really subtle. Now if I scroll out, you're gonna have an almost straight line. So this is the video for today. Do like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more. Thank you.